So today we're gonna get the SP4 into the water. There's no better way to do it by sailing. And it's not too sunny, but I guess that's good. You know, you're not gonna be squinting like with your eyes, like ah. So that's probably a good thing. And having a few friends, Uwe, Gaby, and this is the expert navigator, captain.
Yeah.
So he's gonna show me the ropes.
Speed.
In Germany, 4 horsepower is produced without license.
You can rely on it, right?
So that's the maximum.
You can rest on it. Okay. First time on a sailing boat, so yeah. I've been on a yacht, on a speedboat, and on a cruise, and on a ferry. Never on a sailing boat. So far, so good, huh? Calm water, right?
Look how smooth the water is today.
Yeah, right? Like a swimming pool.
Yes.
Yes. Nice.
So you can see the flag, and according to that, you know the direction of the wind.
But it's very little wind today, right?
Yeah, the wind from that way now.
Yeah. For the drone, doesn't affect that much. It's very little wind.
And it's different in the bay and outside the bay is different.
Big difference, right?
Yeah.
Floating, right?
Yeah, floating, yeah.
The red thing.
So I move to the front, right?
Always watch the cables.
So I can take care safer?
Yeah, unless they use the cable. But
I
yeah.
can use it to hold it?
No. You can sit here unless they start to move this cable.
Because if you have
right?
主聊有放开吗？
哦，too far.
Yes。然后把那个主盘降下来，降下来可能会好一点。
Take it.
Okay.
It's gonna be alright.